Hello everyone, hey, Chris from TD Motion. So what we have on the floor today is what we consider a Jeep Chevy swap kit. And this is good for a conversion from, let's say, a 72 up to an 86 CJ5, CJ6, CJ7. Anyone that's putting a small block Chevy into their Jeep, this would be a nice kit for you. It's going to include the mounts, the hardware, and then your headers, gaskets, collector, and the radiator itself. Getting a little closer, you can see these are universal kits, so they're going to weld in place. You center line the engine. You're going to have all the necessary hardware, the stop, the rubber, and then you'll have over here the headers. These are black coated headers, very tight fitting to the block, so you'll give you ample room to fit it into your Jeep. You'll have your collector pieces here with the header gaskets, and then of course the radiator. This has a built-in fitting for the transcooler, your aluminum filler neck, and this can handle a lot more horsepower than just the factory Chevy engine. So it's all available through tdmotion.com. We also offer this for an 87 through 95 for, let's say, a Wrangler or YJ. And please subscribe to our channel. We're always adding new content each week. Much appreciated. Thanks, guys.